Hi friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I want to show how I fixed a problem with my printer when it suddenly started printing color images in only one color tone. Everything was working perfectly before, and then all my prints started working wrong. Instead of normal colors, the entire image had a strong single color tint. If this happens to your printer too, I will show how you can fix it. Usually it's not a serious problem. The first thing I did was run a Nozzle Check test print. This test helps you to see if any ink colors are missing or clogged. To do this, go to Maintenance, then Nozzle Check, then click Print. When the test page printed, you can barely see anything here. That usually means the print head nozzles are clogged and the printer needs cleaning. I selected that it was printed with error, so next step I ran a head cleaning cycle. It took a couple minutes. After the cleaning finished, I printed another nozzle check page to compare the results. Sometimes you need to repeat the cleaning 1 or 2 times if the colors are still missing. In my case, after cleaning, the colors start coming back and the printer began printing normally again. I did printer test 3 times and now we can see everything printed correctly. After that, I confirm it on the printer's display and our cleaning complete. Now let's print image. I'm absolutely happy to see that my printer did everything correctly and now I can make my projects again. I hope this tutorial helps you to fix your printer too. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crafting and printing tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy crafting!